Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to find even numbers and odd numbers easy. Let's go to video. What is a odd number? When we divide the number by 2, if it remains 1, it's known as odd number. What is an even number? When we divide the number by 2, if there are no remains, it is an even number. Let's see how we find them easy. How we find an odd number. Last digit of a number will be 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. It will be a odd number. Let's see about examples. How we find an even number. Last digit of a number will be 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. It will be an even number. Let's see about examples. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.